Ulit. First, if required, I will put a notification sign outside the door. Then we will still provide privacy for the patient by closing the door or the curtains. After that, we will cover all the equipment needed that we will use for bed bath and the tags that we will use later. And after that, I will raise the bed to a comfortable working position and flatten all the mattress completely. Then after that, I will remove all linens, blankets, even the hot hospital gown of the patient. Then after that, I will carefully remove all the attached medical device to the patient, like the IV lines, catheter, drainage, and the monitoring device. So assume that I already did it. Now I will remove all the watch, or if the patient wear dentures, I will remove all the accessories of the patient and put it in a labeled container, and I will put inside the body bag. So after removing all the accessories of the patient, I will now I will give the patient a bed bath, just with the same respect and gentleness, just like what we give to those patients who sleep. After giving the patient a bed bath, I will place a tag on her toe, his toe. Then after, I will now put a bed bath, a body bag to the patient. So assume that this is a body bag.